So you probably already know about the exciting announcement this year that a new TV show about RVing is coming out. It's called the RVers, and we're going to be co-hosting it.
Production has already begun, and we've been shooting segments for the show. It will be coming out this fall.
But there's another new development about the show that's incredibly exciting that we want to share with you. But we've come north of the Arctic Circle to tell you about it for a reason. Good friends of ours are up here and they haven't heard anything about it yet because they're completely off the grid. And we can't share it with you until they know about it because we don't want them to hear it on social media. So we've come here to tell them about it. You think they're home?
Yeah, I think they're somewhere over this way.
We're gonna go see if we can find them.
Oh, Peter?
John?
What are you doing here?
How did you find us?
It's a long story.
That's a long story. It's probably better not said.
How did you get here?
The dog sled team.
We must. We have something really important to tell you. For anybody who doesn't know, Tom and Kate of Mortons on the Move are our co-hosts on the show, and so we couldn't let them hear about this exciting news third hand, so we had to tell you ourselves, so that's why we're here.
What news?
Well, come on out. It's kind of exciting, but it's a long story. We'll come out here and we'll tell you all about it.
It's so cold out here.
I know, it's freezing.
Well, what's so important? You came all the way up here.
Well, we had a big announcement. There's this big development about the show, and because you guys are so far off the grid, you weren't going to hear about it except like through social media if we didn't come up and tell you.
Must be something big.
It's huge.
Yeah, we wanted to be the ones to let you know that we've been picked up by the Discovery Channel.
What?
We've been picked up by the Discovery Channel.
What?
We've been picked up by the Discovery Channel.
No way!
Way.
Yeah! It's true. The RVers is going to be on the Discovery Channel on Saturday mornings.
Wow, that's my favorite channel.
I know.
That's so exciting, you guys.
So we'll still be on PBS and Amazon and iTunes and all the other outlets, but we've added Discovery.
That is so incredible.
Yeah, so because of the fact that you guys have been incommunicado, we sent you a bunch of emails, you didn't respond, and
There's no signal up here.
Satellites don't even work up here.
but we didn't want you to find out third hand, so we came all the way up here to tell you.
Well, thanks so much, guys. We should come on inside and warm up. We'll celebrate.
Well, we can't, we got a lot to do. We just came up to tell you and we're heading back, so we'll catch you
We
later.
left the sled dogs idling. We'd rather get back.
So we'll see you on Saturday mornings this fall.
All right.
great.
You guys be careful till you get back safe.
Yeah, stay warm, guys.
You too.
Take care of those dogs.
Yeah, we will. Bye. This is ridiculous. Oh my God.
Oh.
It's never been this warm in the Arctic.
Sweating in my glove slot are stuck to my hand.
I know. That was sticky.
Oh, man. Here.
All kidding aside, everybody, thanks so much for joining us, and don't forget to watch us on Discovery. We don't know what time yet. We don't know what time, but we'll announce it. Stay tuned to both Mortons on the Move and RVgeeks and the Facebook page and website for the RVers TV show, and that's the RVers.tv. We'll have full information. There will be more announcements, hopefully some more exciting ones like this. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks, everybody.
And thank you too for not being so far away that we actually had to drive to the Arctic Circle.
That's right.
To get to you. You think they're home?
Yeah, I think they're somewhere over this way.
We're gonna go see if we can find them. Cut.
Excellent.
All right, that's it. Hold it. I gotta take this stuff off.
You don't want us knocking on your door in the middle of the Arctic Circle.
I was looking forward to seeing the dogs.
I will tell you.
Where's that dog sled team?
We've been picked up by the Discovery Channel.
No way!
It's true.
I just want you to know, if we get picked up by CBS while you're in the Arctic, you are not going to hear about it till you get back.
Email.
I'll check my email.
Check your email.
Send a dog sled team with a messenger dog.
Oh yes, yes.
Go.
All right,
Also,
we gotta go.